Hello friends, today we are gonna explore Albert, an amazing Spotlight alternative for Linux. If you're familiar with Spotlight on macOS, you will find Albert to be equally useful and convenient while working on Linux. To get started, open your browser and search for Download Albert for Linux. Visit this official website and you will find two installation options. One is using the official repository method and the other is building from the source. For simplicity, I'm gonna choose official repository method. On this website, you'll see different options for various distributions. Select the one that matches your distribution. For instance, if you're using Ubuntu, choose the Ubuntu option. To find out your Ubuntu version, open the terminal or console of system and enter the command cat /etc/os-release. Now this will display your Ubuntu version which you are currently using now. For me, it's Focal. Now, just open a new tab in the browser and then search for Ubuntu Focal. You will be able to see the version number of the Ubuntu. For me, it's 20.04. For you, it might be different. Once you identified your version, return to the website and copy the provided commands. You can either copy each line individually or copy the entire block and paste it into your terminal. If prompted, enter your root password. Great, it is now installed on your system. To open it, use your application drawer or utilize the search functionality of your operating system. When Albert launches, you will be greeted with a window where you can customize its theme and tweak various options. Feel free to experiment and make it suit your preferences. You can also set a hotkey to quickly access Albert. For example, I have set it to Meta and Space. Now one crucial step is to enable all the extensions, otherwise you won't get accurate search results. Take a moment to enable all the extensions in the settings. To use Albert, simply press your designated hotkey combination. In my case, it's Meta and Space. This will bring up the Albert interface, allowing you to open apps, perform calculations, conduct Google searches, and search for files on your computer. There are many more features to explore, so don't hesitate to dive in and discover all that Albert has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and enabling notifications so that you may not miss any interesting contents like this. Thank you for watching and let's see you in the next one.